What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Kevin Svenson here. Just wanted to talk a little bit about the price action that we're seeing in the Bitcoin chart right now. We're still remaining up towards the upper resistance at this point. We have this more larger scale uptrend where we have this low here and this low here, giving us, with these horizontal resistances, sort of giving us an ascending triangle, which I want to talk about in a little bit. Right now, we actually found a little bit of a lower high, so we're seeing a bit of a lower high here on the chart for Bitcoin. So, I'm already getting a lot of comments from people saying that, my deja vu pattern theory thing is not in play anymore and I was wrong. But, guys, I don't know. It's not really that out of the question to see a retest of our support here in the near future. I think the pattern is still in play. We haven't really diverged out of really all of the we haven't really diverged away from the formation here much at all yet, right? So if we start breaking above resistance, then I would say, yes, that deja vu pattern was absolutely wrong. Right now, we're sitting in a bit of a ascending triangle formation, right? We have horizontal highs, upsloping lows. So the question is this a valid ascending triangle formation, or is it going to act as a bearish continuation pattern, or is it going to be a bullish reversal pattern? The one thing, though, about this type of pattern, we have all of the classifications for it. We even have that really nice decline in volume, right? Which, if you're, the longer you're trading in this range and the more your volume's declining and the longer you're sitting at these prices, the bigger the impulse is going to be when it occurs. But right now, a lot of people are looking at this as an ascending triangle, and because they're looking at it as an ascending triangle, they think that, most likely we're going to see a move to the upside. But, guys, from my experience, a lot of times when you enter an ascending triangle, when you have an impulse down and then you enter your ascending triangle in this way, a lot of times that actually will, you have an impulse to the downside and upsloping consolidation, guys. A lot of times upsloping consolidations can be setting you up for more downside. And, the ascending triangle that I would usually like to play is one that, comes into the, has a bullish impulse into the pattern itself. That is something that I'm always more confident in, is a bullish impulse, upsloping consolidation, continuation pattern to the upside. Right now, we had a dump and we have an ascending triangle formation, but it could end up being a bearish continuation, guys. It really could. I've seen this happen many times throughout many markets. So we'll see. I can't rely too much on this ascending triangle pattern, but we'll see. I need true confirmation right now. For any particular move. Like I need to see that volume, guys, right? There has been absolutely no volume confirmation for in either direction right now. We're getting lower highs, higher lows, low volume. We are still squeezing into an apex, basically. The longer we squeeze, the longer we spend time here, the bigger the result, the bigger the impulse in either direction is going to end up being. There could be, just like we saw back in 2014, there could be, a false breakout before the dump. A lot of people, including myself, have been looking at this, the past bear market here, to sort of try to find some similarities to see where we might be in the cycle. And a lot of people have been pointing out this area, including myself. And personally, I do think, that we are at a point where we hit this horizontal support all year long, right? We were above this all year long in 2014. And then we finally had a breakdown. And then we hit, a low, a higher low, and then we break down, right? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves, right? And right now we're seeing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then, some people would argue the fifth is going to be to the downside. I would as well. I think we are in a stage just like that, guys, because, the volume levels at this point have not given me confirmation of a macro trend bottom. So I do think most likely we will see a move to the downside here. I think this will resolve to the downside. But, guys, just like this area right here where we had a higher high, maybe we do get that higher high first. Maybe we do get that higher high, give the market some areas of value to short before we actually dump, right? Possibly. But overall, I'm not going to get too excited if we get a little bit of a break it to the upside here. I need the volume confirmation, guys. I need to see volume confirmation. A lot of people forget about the volume. You need volume confirmation, guys. You need to know what the activity in the market is really like. But yeah, guys, make sure you keep your eye on the real exchanges, not the fake ones with the fake volume. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.